when we have fulfillment of our needs, then all of the worry goes, and we're at peace, and we can focus, clearly.
This tranquility here is when you are with your spouse, that you find this peace. You are pleased. You find you see.
All right, let me just ask Ahmed: is this always the case, though?
No, this is how it should be.
In 6 months, it probably 6 months,
Because I want to be practical, right? I don't just want to be theoretical about it. I want to really be practical.
I think it is always so if we understand it. But when we don't understand, we get confused in the process. I mean, if you look at the session that we did with Dr. Rizza this morning, and he mentioned that, things is not always smooth and what have you. As long as we know that human being, there will be teeth and tongue. You see, when we don't, we forget all those things, and we're looking like a Bollywood,
I think it is
a story like a movie,
Excuse.
Yeah?
If we could just find out from the brother there, he is married.
Ahmed? Yeah, I said he's married. Yeah. Okay, let's listen to Brother Malik, please.
I think if you look at the ideal man, the Prophet ﷺ, and his marriage to Khadija, radiallahu anha, whenever he was after he received revelation, he was stressed. The first person he went to was her. So he confided in her, the person whom he found comfort. So Sakina, this sort of idea, was that he found it in his spouse, Khadija radiallahu anha. Again, she was always his internal pillar of support. Abu Talib protected him financially and politically, but Khadija was always there for him in the house, for him to find comfort and peace inside. So ideally, spouses would sort of confide in each other, provide this sort of inner serenity and peace to each other and comfort maybe. So I think Sakina, this is embodied in this example of Khadija and the Prophet ﷺ.
So once
unmarried not just those who are married, but those who are unmarried, what
I'm not married.
well, he's not married.
No, man, I'm not talking married. I'm speaking from in the audience. Right? That what do they expect? What Sakina, these are the things we should expect as a result of marriage. What do they believe is this affection? What is this? Is affection mean when you see the person, you have an urge automatically? Is this what they are looking for? Because most of the times, those who are not married, the reasons why they remain unmarried is because they are not looking for the right things. Alright? So now we know what are the products of marriage. The thing is, we should really have that discussion as to, okay, what do you expect from marriage? Not people who are married. To me, this session should be, okay, those unmarried persons, you don't have to put up your hands.
You have to share your experience too. So
No, I'm married. But what I'm saying, to keep it real, for those who are not married, why is it that you are going to 35, 40 and not yet married? Yet still you want to be married.
all right, and okay, that's an important point that we can touch on. But another point that also we can touch on is what is generally the view of the unmarried person before marriage about marriage. That, well, but the expectations, but in a different line. That sometimes people look at marriage, as everything is going to be this fairy tale, and then they're hit with the reality, and probably they can't deal with it at that time. So what Malik mentioned, I believe, is the goal that we would hope to achieve, or the benefit and the end result of a beautiful marriage, right? And inshallah, it is probably ideal, but taking also the nature of the dunya and into consideration, the fact that there are always ups and downs. Overall, I think people who are married for quite a number of years, they will tell you that we have that, right? Despite the ups and downs, we have that. All right. Ahmed, let me see if anybody else has anything else to say for us as well before we continue with this. So we are saying with respect to Sakina that this is the companionship that develops between a husband and wife. I like to say a husband and wife should be the best of friends, and they should develop that relationship where they are the best friends. And so when they are with one another, they can sit, they have a nice time just being in one another's company, speaking, discussing, laughing, you know. And I believe this is where Sakina comes from. Or this is how we achieve Sakina.
Nothing quarreling. Quarreling. Other part of the spice.
Yeah.
The
That's
spice
one thing
is.
I would like to share that I would recognize. That tranquility, love, and mercy, they are all like a chain that affect each other. And they cannot survive without the other. Because without tranquility, it's hard. Without this connection, so to speak, as we were talking earlier, it's hard to find love, so to speak. To show love to that person. Because basically, you are not sure of what it really is unless you really understand that other person, feel that comfort. And if you are able to identify that love after these 2 points, then mercy is definitely shown. Right? So if there's an obstacle that something that you might want to discuss with your spouse, right? You, instead of being very harsh and inconsiderate, you remember that where it's all, what it's all about, and know where you are, how you get to where you are, and you value it and be very merciful to one another, that to help them, and in hoping that it's valued.
Okay, so Ahmad is saying that one quality leads to another, or one fruit of marriage leads to another. So you have sakina, you get mawadda, you get rahmah. Alright? But I want to ask this question. And, I used to think about this a lot when I read this ayah. Is it automatic that 2 people get married and the love will be there, and the mercy will be there, and the sakina will be there? Allah says, وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ, He has placed between you love and mercy. But is this something automatic that is there, or how do we actually experience that?
Sheikh, well, good. I would say that it can be yes, and it can be no. Yes, in the sense that to get married itself, there have to be something existing between the 2 persons. So you get married. But in the time that grows, you care, you care for each other, you can make sacrifice more for each other. As I was saying, like, I will translate mawadda as where you can give up everything for the other. Because you don't want nobody to interfere with your family.
And that's probably how some people define love.
Yeah. Love. Yeah, you know when you realize that the other is not around. You go out for a day or a weekend, then you just understand. But seeing each other every day might really, if somebody should actually explain it. But when the other is not around, then you, so.
All right.
But this is something you experience as a whole.
All right. So you're saying that the seeds of it will be there, but you have to nurture it as you go on with marriage, and based on how we take care of that, that's how it will grow. Yes, sister.
Okay, so I have a question. Let's talk about before marriage. So like, we're going into the marriage talk and what we do when we get married. But at the end of the day, in society we live in, a lot of us, we don't actually approach things how we're supposed to. A lot of us don't even know how to go about doing things quote unquote proper way or Islamic way. Some people they don't speak to each other
Okay, good. So let's speak about that then. What are some of the qualities that we're looking for in the spouses? Let me focus on the young people a little bit and let them say what,
What am I looking for?
what they're looking for.
The older ones right now, we're just laughing and going, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Anybody from that table? Abdul Ahad is not married. Musa is not married. Shawa is not married. Yeah. What do you look for in a spouse? Hmm. That's a very broad, broad definition there, or scope. Yeah, that's it. Anything about looks? Anything else comes in there? Hold on. Let me hear Shawaz. No, I said anything about looks. No looks. Nothing about looks. Huh?